What does a dog say? What does a cat say? What does a lion say? What does a duck say? What does a duck say? What does a tiger say? What does a fish say? What does a horse say? What does a horse say?
Airplane.
Airplane. Very good. Now what does Chloe say? What does a rooster say? What does a chicken say? What does a donkey say? What does Mona say? What does Valentine say? What does a horse say? What does a tiger say? What does a tiger say? What does Daddy say? You hear the dog? What's the dog saying? Whoa. Okay, say bye-bye.